Hello, SalesTowners! Welcome to the new tutorial video of SalesTown. Lead reports should always be the main focus of any sales team for tracking their growth. This report clearly summarizes the overall performance of its users and provides transparent information about the company's profit, progress, and loss. SalesTown CRM is here to assist you in getting the entire information you need in one place. This video shows you exactly how to get detailed insights into leads to ensure that your team stays on track. This lead report can be accessed by the admin and the respective users. Check out this tutorial now to learn more about lead reporting. On the Workboard window, go to the Essentials menu given at the top navigation bar. Drop down the cursor and go to the Reports option. Here one more drop-down bar will appear. Click on the Lead Report option, and here a Lead Report window view will appear. All the necessary information regarding your lead's current status is clearly visible in one place in a single window. From here, you can check the number of leads added, leads won, leads lost, and also how many leads are active leads. You can also filter the details as per the date, different users along with different pipelines. Also, you can easily check the reason for losing leads through the Lead Lost Graph option. If you wish to get the lead report on your system in the tabular form, you can click on the Export button and the whole report will get downloaded into your system. Through SalesTown CRM, you get transparent information about your achievements and failure. Both, it helps you to calculate the steps needed to win leads and grow your business with zero guesswork. Hope you understand why it is important to keep track of data and how effectively SalesTown helps you to get each and every detail of your leads in the most convenient way. Please hit a like button, subscribe to SalesTown, and hit a bell icon if you find this video really useful. For any questions regarding this video, don't forget to pen down a comment in the comment box. Thank you, keep smiling, and happy selling!